lot of water kind of coating maybe your yard, maybe your driveway, maybe even some roads that you live on right now. And it's no wonder because 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain have been picked up from our Kentucky Mesonet sides. Maybe not 6, but radar indicated, a couple of maps I showed a little bit earlier were indicating 6, maybe even upwards near 7 inches of rain. We actually had a report over in Boonesboro of a rain gauge that holds 7 inches of water overflowing. So there you go. 5.3 inches of rain fell in the Winchester area there in Clark County. For Fayette County, 3.6, Harrodsburg, Mercer County, 4.3, and about 4.8 inches of rain has fallen now in the Stanford area. Richmond, 3.4, a little less the further south that you travel. So you definitely see that swath right across the bluegrass, the heart of the bluegrass, that took the brunt of the action. The good news is we have a lot of sunshine coming up over the course of the next few days, so that will really help those water levels to recede if they already have not receded. Low pressure system is responsible for this very gray, gloomy, wet day. But as you can see, everything will eventually shift further to the east and the southeast, and we're going to dry. In fact, we're already beginning to dry out right now here in Lexington, even though it is still very gray and gloomy, and also very sticky and humid. Dew point temperature is still in the upper 60s. The air temperature is at 70, so that goes to show you that it is very sticky outside. Nashville, Paducah in the low 70s right now. But the good news is we see big relief coming up in the form of this cold front that is moving through, where dew point temperatures will start to decrease tomorrow and then really be comfortable as we move into the mid 50s coming up on Saturday. And then we're right back up into the muggies as we step into a good chunk of next work week. That's when the heat returns as well. So July weather for you. Future track showing drying conditions as we move through the rest of this evening toward tonight. By the time we get to about the 11 p.m. news, we're pretty much finished with the rain aside from a very stray or isolated leftover shower. The rest of us will be dry toward tomorrow morning, fighting off clouds in eastern Kentucky. Lots of sunshine then moves back in for the second half of the day. Low pressure continues to move down to the south. We have that cooler air coming out of the north. High pressure keeps us high and dry for Saturday. In fact, Saturday will be a beautiful day. Sunday won't be bad either. Still a lot of sunshine, but that's when temperatures push back up into the 80s. And notice very little in the way of rain chances this weekend, and even for the first half of next week. It's really not until this time next week that we have a 40% chance. Low temperatures tonight, natural air conditioning. Give your AC a break for a change. Lows down around 63 degrees, mid 60s for southern Kentucky. The next 3 days shaping up beautifully. Tomorrow, high of 77 degrees, humidity levels dropping. Saturday, high of 79, so slightly warmer but less humid. And then we'll push those numbers back up into Sunday. Highs back up into the mid 80s, and it will be feeling like the mid 80s as well. Still on the comfortable side, but we'll really begin to see the humidity picking back up Monday through Wednesday with temperatures near 90 degrees. Yet again, like I just mentioned, it is July after all. Next chance of rain returns Thursday and Friday with highs pushing and falling back into the mid 80s.
And remember, those fireworks here in Fayette County going to be Saturday at 10 p.m.